Alright, what's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is one secret supplier that you could use for Facebook Marketplace or Facebook shops drop shipping that I haven't seen anyone else on the internet make a video about. So like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Let's get into the video. So who are you?
Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Marco and I'm a full-time dropshipper. I'm doing eBay, Amazon, and now I'm sticking to Facebook dropshipping because it's the future.
And Marco has made $6,000 profit and continues to make $6,000 profit a month dropshipping on Facebook. So that's why you should smash your motherfucking like button. So yeah, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping for 10 years. I've been an entrepreneur for 7 years. And you should like and subscribe because we're giving you guys daily free information on making money online with dropshipping. So Etsy, I remember a couple of weeks ago, Etsy is the supplier. So we're going to talk about what the supplier is. I'm going to talk about why I figured to make this video. Because a few weeks ago when you were talking about who you were using, you mentioned to me eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Etsy. And these are suppliers, right? You're not selling on Etsy. This is using Etsy as a supplier to drop ship items from Etsy to Facebook, right? And then I was asking you some of the problems. So what do you think are some of the challenges with using Etsy? So that we'll go to the advantages after, but what are some of the challenges?
All right, so Etsy is like my secret weapon, right? Because not everyone is actually using it, and it's a little, let's not say complicated, but it has its tricks.
Right, because when you first told me Etsy, I was like, what the fuck? Like, isn't Etsy for people to like sell handcrafted and shit?
Yeah, right. And it makes a lot of sense because on Facebook, I mean, that's the most, like, that's stuff that you can actually sell because no one is actually selling it.
Right, and you will differentiate yourself. Okay, so what are some of the challenges? What are some of the challenges with using Etsy?
All right, so I learned the hard way, to be honest, because for some...
Usually learning is hard.
Yeah, I mean, so like... Okay.
That's how it is. So just give it to them.
Yeah.
You learn the hard way. What does that mean? What happened?
All right, so basically when I started doing it, I was looking at some suppliers. So with FBM Fox, shout out to FBM Fox. It has over 30 suppliers you can choose from.
Right, so check out SBM Fox in the description. I'll put a link. You can use it for free or you can upgrade.
Yeah, so like, okay, so I figured, okay, so maybe this makes sense because it's handcrafted stuff. You don't see like a lot of dropshippers using this platform to dropship. And you know, when learning, I would list a lot of items from Etsy, but I didn't know that some of them would actually like sell the stuff that they don't even have. Like they have to actually go ahead and make it, right? And they would give you like a tracking number after 14 days or something, right?
Okay.
So on Facebook, you have to ship out the items within 3 days. If you don't ship them out, I mean, you get bad metrics. I mean, customers will complain, everything. Right. So I learned that I had to like use for some of the sellers use fake tracking numbers, talk to the customers and tell them that the items were going to arrive like a little late, just talk to them, right? And then I had to switch sellers and then just look at the sellers that will ship the items within the first 3 days.
And when you say switch sellers on Etsy,
on Etsy, right? Yeah, because it's a marketplace like Amazon where you can actually make an account and set up your store.
Right.
And like sales were like hot. So for me, I had to develop like a strategy. I developed a strategy for each one of my suppliers.
Okay.
So for Etsy, I had to like take the time and make like a new strategy, right?
To make sure you choose the right sellers, you ship on time, if you use fake tracking numbers or not, what type of items sell from Etsy and all that stuff.
Correct.
And then did you share screen with product research for Etsy yet in the course or no?
No.
Right, so that is something. So guys, Marco and I launched a course called dsmasterclass.co. on a continuous basis, we'll be updating the course. And that is something I think within the next week, I publicly encourage Marco to add a separate video or training on that strategy, so that those guys watching this video, listen, if you don't want to buy the course, you could take the free course, you could go on Facebook Marketplace, get FBM Fox for free, go to Etsy, listen to what we're saying, use the strategy, see if it works, make a mistake, make it better, and make money, right? But I'm also encouraging Marco so you could watch over his shoulder and see exactly what he's doing, exactly where he making mistakes, so you wouldn't make the same mistake.
Yeah, right.
So one other question about this Etsy thing. What type of margins you got from Etsy? You got more than Amazon and other places?
Of course, yeah, because there's not many people doing it. So I will get like 60%, 70%.
Wow.
And then you can use some of the strategies, like extra strategies, pricing strategies, whatever you want to call them.
Mm-hmm.
Like adding shipping, or
like extra shipping.
You should go check my selling strategy videos.
Okay, so I'll put a link. I'll put a link in the description for the selling strategy video. I'll also put a link somewhere on top in the little cards that you could add on YouTube. So you guys should definitely check out that video, because a lot of people, the video is called like a $10,000 a month strategy.
Yeah.
And you want to check that out and you want to ask questions about it. That's the last video I posted since we're recording this one. But anyway, so like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Marco and I will be here every motherfucking day to talk to you guys about dropshipping, Facebook Marketplace, and Facebook Shop dropshipping, about the different software available. And anything else you want to say before you go?
Yeah, just one more thing. Okay, so I mentioned that for every supplier that I use like a new strategy, right? Different strategy with each supplier. Mm-hmm. So that's gonna be updated every week on the course.
Okay.
I mean,
dsmasterclass.co.
Yeah. And if you want the free course, dsmasterclass.co/free.
Okay.
So basically, for every supplier that I'm using like 6, 7. I'm gonna add a new the actual strategy that I use, because there's like a general strategy right now, but for each supplier I'm gonna be adding the new strategy every week.
Okay, sweet. So guys, like, subscribe. Don't wait too long to purchase the course. Once you purchase it, you get lifetime access. So although it's updated every week and the price goes up every week, whatever you purchase it for now is the cheapest you'll ever be able to purchase it for. Have a good one, guys. Peace. That's 4. Check out the free course. Check out the free course. Check out the free course. Check out the free course.
All right.